How much should you actually spend on a mat cutter for framing artworks? Some people are happily buying the cheaper options, while others return the pricier ones, wondering if they were worth it. It's a bit puzzling, but I'm here to help clarify which ones actually deliver.
Product number 1, WTFO Vovo 32-inch mat cutter. Let's kick things off with the WTFO Vovo 32-inch mat cutter. Priced at $102.99, this cutter caught my attention for its promise of precision cutting, designed specifically for DIY enthusiasts. If you want professional quality bevel cuts without stepping into a framing shop, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This cutter features a 32-inch cutting base, allowing you to create both straight and bevel cuts. It has adjustable depth and angle settings, which means you can tailor it to different mat board thicknesses. This flexibility is crucial for getting the right fit for your artwork. Plus, it's designed for easy use, even if you're a beginner, helping to reduce mistakes and material waste, something every DIYer can appreciate. The durability also stands out, as it's built for repeated use with responsive customer support behind it, so you won't be left in the dark if issues arise. Now, some people complained about the weight. At 8.38 pounds, it's not the lightest cutter out there. Here's the thing though, that added weight actually contributes to its stability during cutting, which is a big plus if you want consistent results without the cutter slipping around. This is perfect for you if you're someone who enjoys DIY and wants to achieve professional results at home. Skip this one if you need something ultra portable or are just looking for the cheapest option. For its price, it offers great value for a serious crafting tool. Now, if the weight of the WTFO Vovo cutter bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a lighter design.
Product number 2, Yesstray 32-inch mat cutter. The Yesstray 32-inch mat cutter priced slightly higher at $104.98. At first glance, what caught my eye was the heavy-duty cutting heads and the adjustable depth feature. If you want to tackle complex framing projects, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This cutter boasts both a heavy-duty straight cutter and a 45-degree bevel cutter, allowing for precise cuts at various angles. The adjustable guide rail is particularly useful, supporting border widths up to 6 inches, which is ideal for larger projects. Plus, the kit includes everything you need right out of the box: blades, cutting heads, and even a measuring bar. This setup means you can hit the ground running without needing to buy extra tools. However, I did notice some reviews mentioning that the setup instructions weren't as clear as they could be. Now, I get why that could be frustrating, but honestly, once you figure it out, the intuitive design makes it easy to use, so it's not a deal breaker if you're willing to invest a little time. This is perfect for you if you love intricate framing or are a seasoned crafter looking for accuracy and stability. Skip this one if you're just starting out or prefer a more straightforward cutter. For its features, it offers solid value without being overly complex. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a compact design.
Product number 3, Logan Compact Classic Mat Cutter. The Logan Graphics Compact Classic Mat Cutter, model 3011, is next, retailing at $129.48. This one's interesting because it's designed for portability without sacrificing functionality. If you're looking for something that can handle larger mounts while still being easy to store, this is worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The open-ended design means you can cut mounts longer than the 32-inch limit, which gives you more flexibility for larger projects. The precision bevel cutting head and parallel mat guide enhance your cutting options, allowing for professional results every time. It's compatible with standard 4-ply mat boards, ensuring that you can easily find replacement materials and blades, further simplifying your crafting process. However, I've seen some concerns about the cutter's design being a bit bulky for smaller workspaces. I'll be real with you, if you have a cramped area, that could be an issue. But if you have the space, the functionality you gain is definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you need versatility in your projects and have a bit of room to work with. Skip this one if you're tight on space or only plan to work with smaller pieces. It's a solid investment for a more serious crafting enthusiast. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly but still effective, the next product might surprise you.
Product number 4, Logan Push Style Mat Cutter. Surprisingly low price of $29.99 is the authentic Logan brand 2000 Push Style Mat Cutter. This caught my eye for its ergonomic design and simplicity. If you're just getting into mat cutting or need something straightforward, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The push-style pivoting blade is designed for smooth cutting, which is perfect for beginners who might be nervous about handling sharp tools. It cuts standard 4-ply mat board and features a retractable blade, so safety is a priority. Plus, it includes a start and stop indicator, making it easier to get those cuts just right. No guesswork required. On the downside, some users mentioned that it might not handle thicker boards as well as others. Now, I understand that could be a letdown if that's what you need, but honestly, for the price, it's a fantastic entry-level option that won't break the bank. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out and want something easy to use without a steep learning curve. Skip this one if you plan on cutting thick materials regularly. For its price, it's unbeatable for beginners. Now, if you're looking for something that balances portability and precision, the last product is worth a closer look.
Product number 5, SCZ Retractable Mat Cutter. We have the SCZ Retractable Mat Cutter, priced at $22.49. What stood out to me was its compact design and safety features. If you need something portable and easy to use on the go, this one's a solid choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The auto-retracting blade is a great safety feature, especially for those who may not be as experienced with cutting tools. It's designed for professional-level precision with a 45-degree beveled blade, ensuring you get clean, burr-free edges every time. Plus, its lightweight size makes it easy to fit in your toolbox or carry to workshops, and the built-in storage for blades keeps everything organized. But I'll be honest, some users felt it might lack the sturdiness of heavier models. While that's a valid concern, the trade-off for portability and safety can be worth it, especially for hobbyists or casual users. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a travel-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice quality. Skip this one if you need something heavy-duty for frequent use. For the price, it offers fantastic value without compromising on essential features. To wrap it up, we've taken a look at 5 mat cutters that each have their unique strengths. The WT-FOVOV and Yes Dre models are great for serious DIY enthusiasts, while the Logan options offer versatility and accessibility. Lastly, the Logan Push Style and SCZS cutter cater to beginners and those who need portability. Depending on your needs, any of these could be perfect for your next framing project.